gave up on myself, Goldar. But your little picture show reminded me how much good I've done. Not only as a Green Ranger, but as me. Plain old Tommy.
What is up, everybody, and welcome back to Cajun Towboater Reviews. My name is Bo, aka the Cajun Towboater, and today we are reviewing the Zord Ascension Project Dragonzord. I did pre-order this. It was a little bittersweet getting it because it shipped the same day that JDF unfortunately passed. But I do have this, and I do want to review it for y'all. I'm going to compare it to the Legacy Dragonzord, and also take the ZAP Megazord and put it together to do the Mega Dragonzord, and I may end up doing the Dragon Megazord and then the Mega Dragonzord, however it is called when you do each one. It doesn't quite say the names, but yeah, and it looks like it comes with two Green Ranger figures as well. You can see right here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the box. Take a look at that artwork. Looks great. The side, that artwork looks amazing. And there's a picture on this side of the Dragonzord. And the back again, as you can see. And it looks like it comes with an extra pair of hands with the missiles firing like out of the nails, and it looks like you can open up the top of the head and it has like the Green Ranger sitting in there. But this is one of the plastic free packaging, so let's go ahead and cue the intro.
I need Dragonzord power!
Alright, y'all, here the Dragonzord is out of the box, and it is pretty shiny compared to the Legacy Dragonzord, lighter compared to the Legacy Dragonzord, but they're about the same size. I'll do a comparison. Let me go ahead and get that up here right now. So the ZAP Megazord is a little bit taller, as you can tell. That's on the top of the head, so it is a little bit taller. There are a few things that are different sizes on the Dragonzord. I do notice that some things, if you look at the show compared to these, some things like this is how it looks on the show. This is not how it looks on the show. This is how it looks on the show. This is not how it looks on the show, right here. So it's different things they got right on each one, and different things they don't have right. Like, if you look at the toes real quick, let me move down the camera. That's the color of the feet on the show. That is not. They added some goldish toenails, or toes, whatever you want to call them, claws, on the ZAP. So if you look, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you the side of this Dragonzord, the Legacy. So this sticks out a little bit, and the tail's much bigger. But they're about the same length. The tail is bigger, but they're about the same length. They have the place to put the Megazord and all of that as well. Mine's got a little bit of wear and tear on it because I've been having it for years. So let me go ahead and put that one back down. Sorry, y'all, I kind of slipped off my chair. Alright, and if we look on the side of this one, like I said, you can tell the tail is a little bit smaller. this doesn't stick out as much. And we'll put it standing next to the ZAP Dino Megazord. And as you can tell, the ZAP Dino Megazord is pretty big. So let's go ahead and I will take apart the ZAP Dinozord and put together the Dragonzord, or the Mega Dragonzord, and then we'll go ahead and put the or is it the Dragon Megazord and then the Mega Dragonzord? I don't know how it's called, but we will put them both together. So just bear with me. Alright, y'all, and there you go. It did take a little bit to get it together. But that is the Dragon Megazord, or the Mega Dragonzord. And I did forget to say that the accessories it came with, so you saw me put on one of these hands. So it does come with 2 sets of hands. Well, a set of hands, sorry. It comes with this for when it's in Dragonzord mode. You put it on its fingers, and it's the missiles firing. It comes just with a regular set of hands for the Dragonzord without the missiles on it, or without the holes to put the missiles firing from, and then it comes with another pair of hands with the missiles sticking out. Alright. It does come with this for whenever you put them together on the Megazord, to where it looks like it's the hands that it goes, where this goes on the shoulders. It looks like it's the hands firing, like to where they can shoot missiles, like on the shoulder missiles or shoulder rockets. And it comes with not one, but one with him. Try to get that. One with him playing the Dragon Dagger, and then one of him posing. So it comes with 2 Green Ranger little minifigures. So just bear with me, and I'm going to go ahead and put him on top of the Megazord. We could do the, I guess you call this the Mega Dragonzord, and the other one would be called the Dragon Megazord, if I remember correctly. Like I said, it's been a while since I watched Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. But let me go ahead and put him in that mode, and I'll finish the video after that. Alright, y'all, and here it is, the Dragon Megazord. You're supposed to be able to put the chest plate right here on the foot and the tail underneath here, but I ain't worried about that. But that is it combined. I actually cannot wait until they make the Titanus. Maybe they'll do it as a HasLab ZAP for Titanus, or maybe they'll do something else. You never know. I just hope they do it. I did have a problem with this one staying on right here. For some reason it was not staying on for me. If I move it, it's gonna fall off again. But other than that, I mean, I give that Dragonzord a 9.5 out of 10 for the ZAP, because I mean, some of the parts are a little flimsy coming off, like this won't stay on and things like that. But it's parts that I won't have on all the time, because I'm just gonna have it as the Dragonzord. So if you ordered the Dragonzord and you liked it or you didn't like it, like, comment, subscribe, let me know. Just let me know what you liked about it, let me know what you didn't like about it, let me know which Megazord you want them to make. I am glad they are making the Astro Megazord, the Mega Ship. I cannot wait to get that one as well. But I will go ahead and I will end this video right here. You can search TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for the Cajun Towboater. And you can message me on there. Let me know things you would like to see me review, critique me, doesn't matter. I just want to thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing, and overall, just thanks for everything. And
thanks for coming out.